Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to stop WhatsApp photos and videos going into gallery problem. So whenever you receive any photo and video in your WhatsApp chat and you see those photos and videos are automatically saving in your gallery, here's how to solve this problem. So if you want to stop automatically downloading media from a specific chat, all you have to need, go to the chat and tap on the chat name, and here tap on media visibility and show newly downloaded media from this chat in your device gallery. Here you have to select no. Tap on OK, and now on, whenever this WhatsApp chat sends you any photo and video, those photos and videos won't be downloaded in your phone gallery automatically. And now, if you want to stop automatically downloading photos and videos into your gallery for all chats, then from your WhatsApp home screen, tap on this three dot and tap on settings. And here tap on storage and data. And here you will see this section, media auto download. So tap on when using mobile data, and here make sure to uncheck photos and videos, tap on OK, and tap on when connected on Wi-Fi. Also deselect photos and videos, tap on OK. And now on, whenever someone sends you any photos and videos you on WhatsApp, those photos and videos won't be automatically saved in your phone gallery. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.